السلام عليكم دكتور وسام حتاملة and Dr. Maher bin Ismail. This is our demo to the string matching algorithms. We compare between brute force and KMP and Boyce-Moore algorithm. So as you can see here, this is our GUI design. So the first, we have the import to use it. We use the library random string utils to generate our text and patterns generated randomly by this library. And in this is all concerns about the design, and we will see it after this. So here our action event listener, the process, we receive the text and the pattern, then we convert it to integer, then we generate it randomly, and here's the something important about it. Here our domain, so as you can see here, we use 26 letters, only capital letters from English. We can add this to the domain, so it will become 62, and you can change it, but make sure that you change it in the text and the pattern. So I is meaning for the length for the text, and J is meaning for the text of the patterns. So and here our the GUI. As you can see here, we have our method. We use first method is brute force search. Brute force search is input, string text and string patterns, and we have this third input, it's integer c. This is means to the count that the method will return the average time. So if we call it 10, that's meaning the method will do 10 times to return the best average time. This is we do it because in the statics and the charts as you see it in the report. So here, this is the brute force, and I think all of us know how it's work. So this is brute force search. This is text. This is details, the string, and I will make comments about it in the interface. So it's same brute force, but the difference here, we use it for the indexes to display it and how many times it's come. So here's the KMP search. KMP search is the same, it receives text and patterns and integer with average to return. So and here is the process of the KMP search, and it's used compute LPS array as a second method, and that is the compute LPS array to calculate the previous longest prefix sequence. And here the last thing, we have the Boyce-Moore search. The Boyce-Moore search is receive the text and patterns, and it's in char array, but we change it in the call. So as you can see here, it's the working, how this work. It's like heuristic. We use it here, and the while loops and ifs. So in the end, that's our implementation. This is our code. So as you can see here, we put the length text. For example, I will put 1000, and the pattern we search for is 3. Here is the pattern we search it, and it's not found in this as it said. And this is the time in nanosecond. And if we run it again, as we can find it, okay, we will add the 10,000. Yes, here it says pattern found 1 times at index 3116. And if we run it again, if we have 2 indexes, it will return this. In this, I will try to give you to show the whole text. So as you can see here, the text length is 50 and the pattern is 2, it's WG. It says here the nanoseconds it's consumed for brute force and KMP and BM. So this is only average. This is averages of 10 times. So here you say pattern found 1 times at index 23. If you search for WJ, it's here, index 23. So if you run it again, not found, not found, not found, we can check it, and here in the index is 16, and the pattern is FG. So as you can see, it's here. So and we use another way. Our chart presents by using this another library. That's library created Excel sheets from our data. So and here we can use this is our console.